Number 23. And first pole position, BTS. Number 19. Dribble the ball. Ryan. Pass number 59, 58. Rather. Steal. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 343. Rebound by number 15, the hopping ball. There we go, number 23. Pass to number 58. Asanka. Blocked by number 9. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 50, Ryan. No good. Rebound by number 24. Here we go, the number 24, Abdul. Rebound by number 5. No good.
Fall back.
Number 3, Aras by number 15 to Aditya. Ryan setting the ball to number 58. Needed. Rebound by number 5. Ball pass to number 24, Abdul. Needed. Rebound by number Ryan. Number 23. For 3 again. Needed. Rebound by number 5 to Ash. Number 23. Oh, and there's a foul. 2 shots. Made by Ryan. Needed. The first charity of Ryan. Second try. Yes, sir. 1 point by Ryan. Pass to Ryan. Turnover. Pass to Ryan. Ryan again. To Fafu. 14 seconds to shoot. For 3. Negative. Rebound by number 19. Pass by play. Steal by Abdul. Basket. Asanka. Crossover move, and there's a foul. 2 shots by number 58, no good. First attempt. Tarzan. To Abdul again, nope. Intercepted. Number 24. Ryan. Pass to number 58. One pass to number 99. Oh, and there's a Asanka again. One pass to number 10. Steal by Asanka. And there's a foul again by number. Pull up Jay. Needed. Abdul again. Pass with spray by Abdul. Easy basket. Ryan. Up and there's a foul. Substitution. Number 19. Blocked by number 5. 14 up. And there's a 3 seconds violation. Asanka, nandito lang ako. Fafu for 3. No good. 40 seconds, 2 points by number 99. Okay, 2 points by number 58. Another rebound, number 5. For 3. Rebound, number 00. Pass to number 45. Abdul. Tufafu. Ano? David, number 15. To number 00. Number 15 for 3. There's attack. Oh! In your face. For score, Ryan Domainman of Manipal. Pass to Asanka. Asanka for 3. Asanka. Pass to Ryan. Ryan. No good. Rihan, number 77. Pull up Jay. Rebound by number 5. To Abdul, the Abangers. Yes, sir. Up. And basket count. Complete Charity. 2 minutes. First attempt, it's no good. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay, second attempt by Ryan. With Charity. 1 point. Set up niya. Harassed by Ops Anderson. Basket count by Asanka. Ryan, 36-30, 6-point lead. Ryan. What a move under the foul by number 19. Okay.
Whoa!
One shot. Okay. Second Charity. Attacking the ball. The defense. Lead by bits. No good. Aaron. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good ball. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Abdul again. Asanka. Amos. Traveling. No good. For 3, Asanka. Reset to 14. Ryan. 10 seconds to shoot. And there's a 3 seconds. 5 seconds.